What do you keep throwing it in there for? Don't bite my finger. Getting over there. How big it's getting. Try one of these delicious quail eggs. A red beet and a quail egg. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 12 pounds of zucchini. I shred it up. Every 3 days I get 12 pounds. So I guess I'm going to make a lot of cakes. Here are the ingredients. This is the flour and the baking powder and baking soda, salt, nutmeg. What else did I put in there? Cinnamon. And this is the wet ingredients with the zucchini and the oil, the sugar, the eggs, and a little vanilla. And I used AI to help me. Okay, I got them in their pans. Those are 2 cake pans. That's like a brownie pan. That's a glass cake pan and a little, it's just a little one. But 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. But they're probably going to all cook at different times. So I'll have to keep an eye on them. They're all done. There's all kinds of toppings you could put on them. It's just your preference. I'll leave that in there too at the end of the video. But perfect. Thanks for watching.